Jennifer from Melbourne asks, how do you stay on top of everything that you need to do in your online business? This is a good question, Jennifer. I've got to be honest, I don't. I'm very, very disorganized and I have trouble actually staying on top of everything that I need to. So what I do instead is, instead of trying to be on top of everything, I let people in my business and systems in my business actually do that work for me. So what I'll do is I'll create a process-driven system for a lot of the things that need to get done inside my online business. And what that process-driven system will do is it will take work from the initial input stage to the final completed stage through a series of steps that I don't need to worry about, steps that happen on autopilot. So let's say that you're an SEO consultant and that there are a series of steps that you need to do to get someone's work from that starting phase to that completed phase. It might be work that you need to do consistently every week or every month. So as an SEO consultant, you might be doing analysis of their existing rankings and existing pages. And from there, you may be doing tweaks to their website to fix the problems that you find in the analysis phase. And then after that, you'll want to improve their rankings through creating content and then publishing that content on their website and then distributing a form of that content out so that you get all of these backlinks from other websites. Well, this is a really nice, simple system that you can create where one piece of the puzzle leads into the next piece of the puzzle. And as a result, you can take those pieces and tie them together in a set of steps that someone is to complete and then get the process to actually work on autopilot for you. One of the ways that I do this is using a Kanban system. Kanban's a Japanese, process that was, popularized through Toyota, where they would take a billboard, and that's what the Japanese word for billboard is, Kanban, and they would divide it into little, swim lanes. And then they would essentially take a post-it note or a little bit of paper that was pinned into this billboard. And each time that piece of paper, which was the actual project that needed to get completed, was moved, it was moving through a different step of the process. So it would start out in the analysis phase. And at the analysis phase, it would get completed to a specific standard and then move to the fix the problem stage, and then it would move to the create the content stage. And it's a way that you can, at a very quick glance, have a look at what's actually happening in your business and see what phase each project is actually in. And that way you don't have to commit a lot of time or effort or energy or your own personal or business resources into actually managing the project, because the project is so simple, because it's just a step-by-step process. The project actually manages itself. And because one of the steps in the process is to take the project and move it to the next phase, once you've finished in the first phase, then it essentially manages itself. So hopefully this helps you to stay on top of the things that you need to in your online business. It certainly helps me to avoid spending a lot of time in management in my own online business.